Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to edit the block. It is very simple to edit the block. Let's see how to do this. So for example, I want to edit this super block. For edit, I will just double click on this one. Okay, it will just open the edit block definition of dialog box. Okay, from here you can just edit any of the block. For example, you can see this door, chair as well. Here you can preview here. Okay, so I want to edit sofa. For example, I will press OK. Now block editor dialog box will be open, or window will be open in front of you. Now you can edit any of the thing. Okay, for example, if you want to replace this block by any other block, you can delete this one and you can replace any other thing here. Okay, for example, if you want to update this one, you can update as well. For example, I want to just put a line here. Okay, let's see how to update this one. I will go into the home tab. I will activate line command and I want to just update this one. So this is only example, okay, for understanding. Okay, I will just hit enter. Now I will just select both of these and I will choose the layer from here, chair and sofa, for example. Okay, now I have just added this block. Then I will save this one into block editor. I will go here and there is one option, that is save block. Okay, I will click here and then I will close block editor. Now you can see this sofa block is going to edit. Okay, and this is updated. Now you can see where I have just put this kind of block, all of the blocks are going to update. Okay, this block and this block. Okay, this is the benefit of block. When you will just edit the block, it will update all of the items. Okay, like I have just pasted 3 items, 1, 2 and 3. All of 3 items are going to update. So this is how you can update the block. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.